Hello guys, and welcome to a Gnar bucket tutorial. Today we're going to show you how to subscribe to our channel. Now you would think this would be an easy task, but because most of you watching haven't done it yet, you figured you didn't know how to do it. So we're going to go ahead and show you today. It's very easy. This is a level 1 tutorial. So what you're going to do is go down to your favorite web browser. If you're on mobile, this will be a little bit different. You're going to click on it. Going to go up into the search bar up here. You're going to type in YouTube. That's spelled Y-O-U-T-U-B-E, and you're going to want to put in .com. You don't want to do .org or .net. .com works the best in my opinion. So once you load in YouTube, you're going to go up to their top search bar here and type in Gnar bucket. That's G-N-A-R space B-U-C-K-E-T, and then channel, C-H-A-N-N-E-L. Go ahead and hit enter, or you can go to the search icon right here. Now you'll see it load up. Gnar bucket, first one has the bucket here. Do not subscribe to this dude. You might see our button here because it's our channel, you can't see it. If you do see that, just go ahead and click it. Or you can go to our channel and surf around and watch our other videos. Now, mine's a little bit different than yours, but you will see your own version of this, and there will be a subscribe button somewhere on this page. Just go ahead and find it and go ahead and click it. Now, if you found this helpful, let us know in the comments. We'll be doing more of these in the future. And now you have no excuse not to subscribe to our channel. So subscribe to our channel. Thank you.